10 minutes to instantly release stress and anxiety. Welcome to this 10-minute meditation. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Allow your hands to rest gently. Soften your eyes or close them completely. Take a slow, deep breath in and let it out with a long, gentle sigh. This is your time to reset, to let go, and to return to calm. Bring your awareness to your breathing. Notice the natural rhythm of your inhale and exhale. With every inhale, imagine breathing in calm and clarity. With every exhale, imagine letting go of tension and heaviness. Breathe in peace. Breathe out stress. Again, inhale deeply, filling your body with light. Exhale slowly, releasing all pressure and worries. Allow your breath to guide you into deeper stillness. Now gently bring your attention to the top of your head. Imagine a soft wave of relaxation washing down from your scalp. Over your forehead, releasing any tightness. Feel it soften your eyes, your jaw, your shoulders, allow that wave to flow down through your chest, your arms, all the way to your fingertips. With every exhale, release a little more tension. Now let this calm energy spread through your back, your hips, your legs, and finally to your feet. Your whole body is soft, grounded, and safe. Picture yourself standing in a wide open field. The sun is warm on your skin, the air fresh and clear. A gentle breeze carries away any heavy thoughts. Feel the weight of anxiety lift off your shoulders, dissolving into the sky. Repeat quietly in your mind, or out loud if you like. I am safe in this moment. I release all stress and allow calm to flow through me. Peace fills my mind and body now. I choose to let go. Stay with these words for a few breaths, letting them sink deeply into your heart. Begin to return slowly to your body. Notice the surface beneath you, supporting you. Bring gentle movement back to your fingers and toes. Take one final deep breath in and sigh it all out. When you're ready, open your eyes and carry this calm with you.